In France, they issued a coin dedicated to the 100th anniversary of the birth of Abbé Pierre. Abbé Pierre is a French public and political figure. During the Second World War he participated in the resistance movement and helped Jewish refugees. He is best known for his founding of the Emmaus Foundation in 1949. The coin depicts a portrait of Abbé Pierre wearing his famous beret. To the right of it is the logo of the Emmaus Charitable Foundation with microtext in the form of the question, "and others," are Abbé Pierre's favorite words, reminding us that we must never forget to help others. Under the logo is the year of minting, and the hallmark of the engraving workshop. Along the circumference is the inscription 100th anniversary of the birth of Abbé Pierre. Also on the right is the sign of the French Mint in Paris, and the letters RF, the Republic of France. The circulation of this coin is quite small as for the coins of France, only 1 million pieces. Recent sales on eBay have been at prices ranging from $5.20 to $12. Now the cheapest coin costs $5.